Your first reaction when you saw yourself on screen for the very first time.
Oh,
Rate yourself as an actor on a scale of 1 to 10.
भाई साहब
तो करिए.
नहीं
अरे
नहीं कर सकता.
एक किरदार फ्रॉम द हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री या फिर चलिए हॉलीवुड यू विश यू हैड प्लेड.
Rockstar Ranbir Kapoor.
One thing about Salman Khan that inspired you the most.
Details, like he remembers everything that you.
One thing about Pankaj Tripathi that you would love to adopt.
For the first time I'm going to Pankaj Tripachi's house. Hi hello करने के बाद इधर आओ यहाँ कटहल उगाया है. Hi, this is परेश पहूजा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं on Bollywood Hungama.
I want to do a quick rapid fire now with you. Yeah?
Bring it on.
If you do good in this,
Yeah.
then as a gift, you only have to sing us the last song.
अरे क्या बात है?
And we're sure you'll do good.
Who am I competing with?
Yourself.
That's the
You
toughest
are competing
competition
with
in the
yourself.
world.
So Paresh Pahuja, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. If not an actor or a singer, what profession would you have chosen?
I'd be working in an advertising agency.
Your first reaction when you saw yourself on screen for the very first time.
Oh, like I could have done better.
Actor, artist कभी satisfied नहीं रह सकते हैं. देखो, rate yourself as an actor on a scale of 1 to 10.
भाई साहब
तो करिए.
नहीं
अरे
नहीं कर सकता.
as a singer.
नहीं कर सकता. I'd rather go home as a boring person than go home with an मतलब ये बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है यार. अभी तो शुरू है. बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है. I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. एक किरदार फ्रॉम द हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री या फिर चलिए हॉलीवुड यू विश यू हैड प्लेड.
Rockstar Ranbir Kapoor.
A director or actor that you're dreaming to collaborate with.
Imtiaz Ali A.R. Rahman musical.
Oh.
Yes.
And which actor would you like to?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt. Oh, nice. One genre you would like to explore that you haven't yet.
Comedy.
This or that. Movies or series as an actor.
Movies.
Movies or series as a viewer.
Movies.
Okay. Critical acclaims or box office success.
Both यार. Both.
Okay. Shooting in India or outdoors.
I love India.
Commercial films या फिर art films.
Commercially done art films.
One thing about Salman Khan that inspired you the most.
Details, like he remembers everything that he cares for you. Like he remembered I'm a vegetarian, and he made sure there was vegetarian food every time I'd walk into that room. So just paying attention, yeah.
One thing about Pankaj Tripathi that you would love to adopt
My
adapt.
God, I can do like a whole interview on Pankaj ji. Can I share a little anecdote?
Please.
For the first time I'm going to Pankaj Tripachi's house, Pankaj ji, and we were doing a film together called Kadak Singh.
Yeah.
तो उनके घर पे हमारा वर्कशॉप था और मैं उनके घर में घुसता हूँ. He has a beautiful house, and हाय हेलो करने के बाद इधर आओ यहाँ कटहल उगाया है. एक कटहल का पेड़ है यहाँ, बहुत जल्दी कटहल आएगा. And then he's showing me all his plants, he's showing me his garden, and I'm like, how is this man so grounded and so connected and so real? That's something I want to learn from him. And his love for family, like the way he looks at Mridula ma'am, his wife, Abibi, it's like they've just met. They're like teenage lovers, and there's so much love and respect between them.
Amazing.
Yeah.
One piece of advice that you would have liked to give yourself, your younger self,
Yeah.
what would that be?
Calm down. I would have said relax, trust, surrender. It's all coming. I would have said it's not a war, it's a game, so play it.
Please complete the following sentence. Bandish Bandits for me is.
Life-changing event.
What's next for Paresh Pahuja that we should be excited about?
There's a show called 13th.
Okay.
There is a film called Lord Curzon Ki Haveli, and there is an India tour that I'm doing as a musician.
If Mahi had to give an audition and speak about himself before the audition, तो वो कैसे देते? You have to look into the camera and say.
Yeah, that's changed.
I love it. I love it.
Hi, I'm Mike, and I play sitar, and I hope you like it. That's it. I don't think he'll ever oversell.
सुप्रीम पसंद आया तो ठीक, वरना अमेजिंग परेश, यू हैव डन एक्सेप्शनली. हम 2 गाने भी सुनने को तैयार हैं. No, but what would you like to end this interview with?
I
What
will
song?
sing my song. I'll sing a song called Botla, which is a
Oh.
very, very personal song.
This is the one where चाय की तारीफ,
Oh, भाई साहब, क्या बात है उर्मिन.
अदरक इलायची मार के.
Oh. तुम्हारी गैर हाजिरी अब खलती नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने चाय बनाना सीख लिया है. देखो, ठीक उतनी अदरक डाली है जितनी तुम डालती थी, इलायची भी ठीक उतनी, पर फिर भी वो स्वाद नहीं आ रहा. खैर छोड़ो, शायद चाय को भी तुम्हारी आदत है. बोतला में खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे मशाहूर की. बोतला में खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे मशाहूर की. ठोकरा में खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया, इश्क दा है मज़ाहूर की. ऐ गलती थी मेरी, ऐवें सुपना च मैं उड़ गया. दिल दा की दिल जानी, केड़ी गलियां च ऐ मुड़ गया. तेरा तो पता ना कोई है ठिकाना, रब नू लभना नी मैं होर जी. बोतला में खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे नशा होर की. ठोकरा में खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया, इश्क दा है मजा होर की. हो मेरा मिले इश्का मेरा, मिले इश्का मेरा, इश्का.
क्या फील्स है, कॉन्सर्ट फील्स मैन, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. कब है नेक्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट? व्हेन इज योर नेक्स्ट वॉइस नोट कॉन्सर्ट?
Abhi we'll be doing a tour
Okay.
of 6 cities with the concert. We'll announce it very soon.
Looking forward to it.
You will be doing this in the front row.
Really, really happy to meet you, Paresh. Thank you
Happy to
so
meet you
much.
too.
इतना वक्त दिया, इतने खूबसूरत गाने आपने हमें सुनाए, and thank you for bringing life to a character like Mahi. There couldn't have been anyone who could have done it. So it's such great casting, and all thanks to the entire team.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Rohan.
And to many more amazing projects your way.
And many more conversations with you. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you guys for watching
Thank
us
you.
on Bollywood Hangama.
Hi, this is Paresh Pahuja और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं on Bollywood Hangama.